my loves, I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am doing a walk tour in another part of Chiang Mai called Nimman Haman. I think I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Nimman Haman Road. And it's such a beautiful and exclusive place here. There's just a lot going on. I don't know if it's like events. Yeah, it's really noisy out here. But anyway, let's take a stroll around and see what's happening around this area. Stick around. Across the road over there, as you can see, is the Maya Mall, the famous Maya Mall. So you know it's located here in Nimman Road. And on the other side here, there's usually a night market. It's called Think Park. There's like a lot of mini bars and restaurants. You can chill there, have your meals and enjoy. It's just opposite Maya Mall. So anyway, let's hope. I don't think the market is on today, but anyway, let's just take a stroll around and see what's happening in the area. So I just came across an indoor market, one market. Yeah, and yeah, let's check it out. Let's see what we find here. It's so beautiful, air conditioned, smells amazing. The aromas in here. They have clothes here, you can shop. Wow, this place is beautiful. Look at the top. It's a little bit hot today, guys, but anyway, I just came across a food market, so let's go eat. I haven't had lunch yet, so this is perfect. Ooh, dumplings. This looks yummy. Shepherd's pie. Interesting. Sushi. Okay, let's get something. I think I'll get the dumplings. There's also restaurants here if you don't want to eat from the market, but I'll try the dumplings from the market. Hi, can I try the dumplings? Chicken? Yeah, chicken. They look so yummy. So they have vegetables, cheese, shrimp, chicken, and pork. So on the other side of this building is literally stores where they're selling jewelry. As you can see here, they're also selling clothes, beautiful dresses over here. This is cute. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love this dress. Wow. Handcrafts. It's extremely hot today, okay? I'm sweating. But my day is done doing this walk tour here in Nimman. And this is where you could come to if you just want that exclusive part of Chiang Mai. There are so many restaurants, so many exclusive markets. And yeah, you can come do your shopping at Maya Mall and just take a stroll around and enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do add this channel to your watch list. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. From me today, it's all what I love.